Product strategy is a clear definition of what a product should do, for whom, and the value it will create. It should be based on the needs of the consumer and provide value both to the end user and to the business.
When we think about product strategy, the point there is really to take everything we know about what good strategy looks like and apply that to the product discipline. What we mean by that is being very clear on what our vision and aspiration is, how we're going to win, who we're going to be creating that value for, and then how we're going to get there in terms of the end actual release of that product into the market.
The tools are amazing, but unless you have a vision for what you're trying to accomplish with the tools, it's you're going to have a difficult time demonstrating value and doing something that matters to the business itself. So I think it's very important to start with the why and then get to the how.
As designers start to shift a bit more into engineering, as engineering might be shifting more into design, as product leaders can do a bit more design, we're seeing a lot of fluidity as all these different tools are empowering team members to shift into wider aspects of the product process across their team.
One of the interesting things about agentic AI-driven experiences is that the tools force the users to think more cross-disciplinary. If you're an engineer, it's required of you to think more like a product manager. If you're a designer, you can actually build something and generate a coded prototype. And finally, as a product manager, it's your job to make sure that what is being worked on is the right solution and the right answer, and not just the quickest thing that you can come up with.
In order for organizations to be innovation ready, they also need to move fairly rapidly from ideation into execution. Define your MVP, get it out into the market, see what works, see what doesn't. Don't be afraid to refine.
Agentic workflows force teams to work in an iterative cross-disciplinary fashion. You're generating ideas by the day and week as opposed to the month and year. You'll be able to go to your CEO and show them something in 1 month and know if you're on the right or wrong track. This quick cycle of iteration allows us to make sure that we're building the right software, because the only thing more expensive than building the wrong software is building the wrong software slowly.